Does this sound familiar? You created a book or books, but you're not seeing the sales that you wanted or expected. You tried running Amazon ads, Facebook ads, posting your links on other social media, but you're still not seeing the results that you hoped for. And you've tried everything. Have you tried YouTube? Now don't go anywhere. I know what you're thinking. Keith, I'm not a YouTuber. And that's great. I'm not trying to turn you into a YouTuber. I want to show you how you can leverage YouTube to help you sell more books. And before you freak out, you don't even have to be on camera to have a successful author YouTube channel. Now, it doesn't matter if you write epic novels, create no content or low content books, or something in between. I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube to grow your following and customer base. And since users on YouTube tend to be more engaging, you can actually use that connection to help you get more book reviews too. If we haven't met before, my name is Keith Wheeler. I'm a 5-time #1 international best-selling author, as well as the host of the YouTube channel, Keith Wheeler Books. So why YouTube? Well, successful authors usually get book sales from a few methods. 1, Amazon and other online marketplaces. 2, they get repeat customers by engaging on social media. And 3, since people buy from brands that they know, like, and trust, some authors will do in-person events like author visits, book signings, and trade shows. What if I told you that you can accomplish all that with an author YouTube channel? So first, you publish your book on Amazon because it's a huge marketplace, right? But did you know that the largest search engine on the internet is Google? And the second largest is YouTube, which is actually owned by Google. So if your books and brand are on Amazon, a huge marketplace, and your books and brand are also searchable on the 2 largest online search engines, YouTube and Google, just imagine how much more discoverability you'll have for your books and your brand. Now, what about social media? Well, did you know that at its core, YouTube is a social media platform? Crazy, right? I mean, think about it. As a creator, you can create posts, just like on Facebook and other social media platforms. You can interact with your customers, aka viewers, via the comment section. And as of the recording of this video, YouTube is actually beta testing a user-to-user chat feature as well. Again, just like other social media platforms. But what about in-person events? Well, even if you had time to do in-person visits, how many could you do? How far are you willing to travel to connect to all your potential future customers? People do buy from brands that they know, like, and trust. But with YouTube, you can make that one-on-one connection with your customers with every video, no matter what time of day it is, no matter where they are in the world, all without leaving your home. And that connection grows with every video that you'll publish. I'm telling you that one of the most overlooked opportunities when it comes to selling more books is utilizing YouTube. So grow a broader reach, develop more devoted repeat customers, and even get more book reviews, all with the help of YouTube. Oh, and with this course, there's no upsell, no funnels, or any of that other crap. One price and you get the whole course. I'll even show you how to make additional money actually using your YouTube channel. So click the link below and let's get you selling more books with YouTube for books.